سمية أربع سمية ودلي قاربا قتي وبرمت بسوقة قاربا قت.
Immediately, I worked hard, I got a permit, and I actually bought a vehicle.
أنا برمت وتوم بعد الله مرة يو الشغل بوضك إلى الحكومة يا واحد وشيت البوليس.
And then suddenly, I am thinking like I am the leader and the head of this country, I'm doing wonderful, and then I got a vehicle, and suddenly I was driving the vehicle, and I got pulled over, and I see the lights of the police behind me.
بوليس كي مركب استاجية أو صوت دكتي أصلاً ولي أنا جو حويدين بوحة كسر دعي كل كله أو نبضنا أو إن مرتشي أو والمرة رسوا عايم.
So when the police officer pulled me over, as he was approaching to me, he got another urgent call, like something that was very, very urgent. And before he said anything to me, he went back to his vehicle and started driving, and he started driving to Roma. He started running, he got in his car and he just took off running. And I thought that is what the reason why he came towards me, I thought that's what he was telling me, is for me to follow him. And I followed him.
Wilmer markuu joogo intaasoo nal gooyay nalalka asigu waa gooyaa ma istaago nalkoo geliya wuxuu gooyaa maxamudaa guduudan anna waa daba ordahaya.
So this whole time, he's urgent, he runs a red light, he passes the bus stops, everything, and I'm doing exactly the same thing. I just followed him all the way. And then he got to his place where he was going to, where the urgent was, and I pulled right next to him.
What do you need?
I pulled next to him and he said, what do you need? I told him, you pulled me over and I'm wondering, what do you need?